Hello and welcome to Sudha's Apparel Patterns. In this video, I will show you how to make a patchwork kids pillow from Spoonflower Fill-A-Yard printed swatches. These are the design swatches I have used for making the patchwork pillow. But before I begin, I just want to give you a quick information about the printed design swatches I have used for making the pillow. I have an online shop named Aqua Bubble Designs on Spoonflower where I am selling these and many more designs through the shop. Spoonflower is an online wallpaper, home decor and fabric marketplace featuring print-on-demand products with designs created by independent artists like me all over the world. So if you want to buy these individual designs on fabric, wallpaper or home decor products, please check my shop link given in description below. Please note this video is not sponsored. But if you buy these printed products through the link given in description, I will receive 10% royalty for every purchase you do. Spoonflower has also got some amazing sales going on. So you can feel good that your purchase not just gets discounts but also supports creators who design these products. So do check the link given in description below, and with that said, I will now begin with the stitching of envelope style patchwork pillow. I have created two pattern templates for making the front patchwork of this pillow. Option 1 is showing template for 6x6 inch Spoonflower Fill-A-Yard print swatches. Fill-A-Yard is basically template provided by Spoonflower website to print multiple designs on 1 yard or 2 yard fabric lengths. Since these are square pieces with length of 6x6 inch size, my ready pillow size will be 16.5 by 16.5 inches. I have therefore provided option 2 template which can be used for making 18 by 18 inch size pillow. You can find free PDF of these templates in description below. As said, I have used option 1 template for making my pillow. To make front patchwork square, I have used 9 printed squares with 6x6 inch size of each square. Join and stitch these squares vertically with plain seam at 1 cm from edge. Then flatten each seam with iron. Stitch these panels across with plain seam at 1 cm from edge. Then flatten each seam with iron. Front patchwork square is ready, and now I will stitch the back pieces to make the envelope style. For this, I have used two pieces of 12.5 by 16.5 inches size. Double fold the top edge of each back piece at 1/4 inch plus 1/4 inch as shown, and iron to do edge machining. To stitch the back pieces to front patchwork square, both back pieces should be placed on opposite ends of front as shown. Then do plain seam at 1 cm from edge on all 4 sides. Give notches on all 4 corners as shown before turning the pillow cover inside out. Envelope style patchwork kids pillow using Spoonflower printed swatches is now ready. You can stuff the pillow with polyester filling. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to Sudha's Apparel Patterns. Until next time, happy sewing.